Have you ever drilled what looked like the perfect hole, only to realize it was slightly crooked? Maybe you were building a cabinet, installing shelf pins, or trying to drill perfectly straight dowel holes. It only takes a tiny angle error to ruin an otherwise perfect project. That's exactly why drill guides exist. They help transform an ordinary handheld drill into a much more accurate tool. But with so many drill guides available, which one is actually worth buying? Today we're comparing some of the most popular drill guide designs to help you decide which one fits your workshop, your projects, and your budget. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which drill guide is right for you. Let's begin. First, what exactly is a drill guide? Simply put, a drill guide is a tool that helps keep your drill bit perfectly straight while drilling. Instead of relying only on your hands, the guide controls the drilling angle, helping produce cleaner, more accurate holes. For woodworking, that means stronger joints, better alignment, and fewer mistakes. Now let's look at the different types. The first type is the basic plastic drill guide. These are usually the most affordable option. They're lightweight, easy to carry, and simple to use. For occasional DIY repairs, small woodworking projects, or beginners learning basic drilling techniques, they can work surprisingly well. However, plastic construction usually means less rigidity. If too much pressure is applied, the guide can flex slightly, reducing accuracy. They're useful, but not ideal for precision furniture work. Next are portable metal drill guide attachments. These are probably the most popular option among hobby woodworkers. Instead of flexible plastic, they use metal guide rods and a stronger base. This provides much better stability while drilling. Most models also include adjustable depth stops, allowing consistent hole depth every time. For building cabinets, bookshelves, or furniture, portable metal drill guides offer an excellent balance between portability and precision. Moving on. Angle drill guides. Sometimes, perfectly vertical holes aren't enough. Certain woodworking projects require drilling at 45 degrees, 30 degrees, or other precise angles. That's where adjustable angle drill guides become extremely useful. These guides allow controlled angle drilling while maintaining consistent alignment. They're especially popular for furniture making, stair construction, and custom woodworking. If your projects involve angle joinery, this type of guide can save enormous amounts of time. Now let's talk about self-centering drill guides. These are designed for one specific purpose, drilling perfectly centered holes. They're commonly used for dowels, hinges, cabinet hardware, drawer pulls, and precision woodworking. Instead of guessing where the exact center is, the guide positions the drill automatically. That dramatically improves consistency, especially when making repeated holes. For cabinet builders, these tools are incredibly valuable. Next. Heavy-duty drill guide systems. These are designed for serious woodworking. Compared to portable guides, they're larger, heavier, and significantly more stable. Some models include precision bearings, machined aluminum construction, and larger bases for improved support. The result? Extremely accurate holes with very little movement during drilling. While they're more expensive, they're often worth the investment for anyone building furniture regularly. Now let's compare build quality. Cheaper drill guides often rely heavily on molded plastic components. Premium models usually use aluminum or steel. Metal construction improves rigidity, reduces flex, and increases long-term durability. For occasional weekend projects, plastic may be perfectly adequate. But for frequent woodworking, metal construction usually provides better results. Let's talk about accuracy. No drill guide can completely replace a drill press. But a quality drill guide can dramatically improve handheld drilling. For shelf pins, dowel joints, hardware installation, and woodworking projects where straight holes matter, the difference is immediately noticeable. Another important feature is portability. One of the biggest advantages of drill guides is that they travel anywhere. Unlike a drill press, they can be taken directly to large furniture, installed cabinetry, or job sites. That's one reason many professionals keep both. A drill press for shop work, and a portable drill guide for everything else. So, which drill guide should you buy? If you're just starting woodworking, a quality portable metal drill guide offers the best value. It provides excellent accuracy without spending a fortune. If you mainly install cabinet hardware, a self-centering guide will likely become your favorite tool. And if precision woodworking is your focus, a heavy-duty drill guide system is absolutely worth considering. Remember, even the best drill guide can't compensate for dull drill bits or poor technique. Use sharp bits, secure your workpiece properly, and let the guide do its job. Those small habits produce professional results. At the end of the day, a drill guide isn't just another workshop accessory. It's one of the simplest upgrades you can make to improve drilling accuracy, reduce mistakes, and build cleaner, stronger projects. Now I'd like to hear from you. Have you ever used a drill guide, or do you still drill freehand? Share your experience in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more woodworking buying guides, tool comparisons, workshop upgrades, and practical tips to help you build smarter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.